The Western Isles are an amazing place to live. There are beautiful beaches, a friendly, safe community, and there is the great opportunity for children to learn Gaelic and be bilingual.
Gaelic medium education is not just for children from Gaelic-speaking families, and you do not need to speak Gaelic yourself to support your child in their learning.
It really is amazing how quickly children who don't have any Gaelic at home pick up the language and quickly become fluent.
So far, James loves Scolari, and I'm looking forward to improving my Gaelic and watching him become bilingual.
Having gone through Gaelic medium education myself, I feel that it was very beneficial for me. There are so many more opportunities, so many extra activities that they can get involved with using the Gaelic language, and it's also brilliant for him to have the language and to keep it going and give him the opportunity to learn other languages.
Corn Yelan Shiar actively promotes and supports Gaelic medium education from preschool through to secondary level.
Gaelic Book Bug and Higa Cluich are fantastic baby and toddler groups.
If you choose GME for your child, there's a range of support available, from groups that meet regularly to CDs to online resources.
The benefits of becoming bilingual are widely recognised to include positive effects on the brain, educational advantage, increased career choice in the future, and long-term health benefits as you grow older.
If you have any queries or questions about Gaelic medium education, there is always someone in your local school to give you support and advice.
There are many reasons why Gaelic medium education is a good choice for your child.